Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best affordable drone available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Velcase Drone. The 1080p HD camera exceeded my expectations from the very first flight. The adjustable angle feature became invaluable as I learned to frame shots properly. I found myself experimenting with different angles, from sweeping landscape shots to more intimate overhead perspectives of my backyard gatherings. The dual battery system provides approximately 26 minutes of total flight time, which initially seemed modest but proved to be quite generous in practice. The foldable design isn't just a convenience feature, it's transformative for how I use the drone. When folded, it's roughly the size of a paperback book and fits comfortably in the included carrying case alongside all accessories. I've taken it on camping trips, to the beach, and even carried it during hiking excursions without feeling burdened. At number 2 is the Hiturbo Drone. The 1080p camera exceeded my modest expectations. While it's not going to replace a professional setup, it captures decent photos and videos for social media and personal use. The ability to manually adjust the camera angle between forward-facing and downward shots adds versatility. This is where the drone truly shines. Each battery provides about 12 minutes of flight time, which initially seemed short. However, having 2 batteries changes the game completely. While one battery powers my flight, the other charges. This rotation system gave me nearly continuous flying time during my learning sessions. The 3D flip feature is absolutely delightful. There's something magical about commanding your drone to perform a complete rotation mid-air. The execution is smooth and controlled, though it does consume battery quickly. At number 3 on our list is the HASAKEE Q9s Drones. The 3 adjustable speed settings have been a game changer for our family. I started both kids on the slowest setting, which moves at a leisurely pace perfect for building confidence. As their skills improved, we gradually increased the speed. Now, my 11-year-old flies confidently on the highest setting while my younger son is comfortable on medium speed. Most battery-powered toys promise extended play time but deliver disappointment. The Q9s comes with 2 500 mAh UL certified batteries, and I can confirm they deliver on their promise of doubled flight time. I was initially concerned that the novelty of flying a drone would wear off quickly for my kids. The 360-degree flip capability has proven me wrong time and time again. Even after weeks of flying, my children still get excited about executing perfect flips and showing them off to friends and family. Moving up at number 4 is the Holy Stone Mini Drone. The 3D flip capability exceeded my expectations. With just a press of a button, the drone performs smooth, controlled flips in any direction. I was worried these might be jerky or cause crashes, but the HS-210 handles them gracefully and returns to stable flight immediately after each maneuver. My kids spent hours trying different flip combinations, and even I found myself impressed by how responsive and reliable this feature proved to be. Having 3 batteries included was a massive advantage that I didn't fully appreciate until our first extended play session. Each battery provides about 6 to 7 minutes of flight time, which initially seemed short. However, with 3 batteries in rotation, we achieved nearly 21 minutes of continuous flying by swapping batteries as needed. The batteries charge relatively quickly, so we could keep 1 or 2 charging while using the third. At number 5 is the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. The 720p HD camera was the main selling point for me, and I'm happy to report it delivers on its promises. While it won't compete with professional drone cameras, the image quality is more than adequate for family fun and social media sharing. I've captured some genuinely impressive aerial shots of our backyard barbecues and local park visits. The dual battery system is brilliant. With 2 batteries providing up to 20 minutes of total flight time, we can have extended play sessions without long charging breaks. Each battery lasts about 8 to 10 minutes in my experience, which is perfect for keeping kids engaged without overwhelming them. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.